Hello friends, in this lecture we will see cavity mill, and in cavity mill we will see how to find the shortest tool. So I have this kind of part, and I have this a small tool and one a little bit bigger tool and one medium size tool. Okay, so first of all I'm going to start with this. So click here to create new operation, and my operation is cavity mill. And first of all I'm going to use this 1 inch tool workpiece, and this is the roughing operation. Okay, and here I'm going to change to Paula Periphery, and rest option I'm not going to change anything. Directly go to this geometry, and here I'm selecting this all face. Okay, I'm not selecting this under strategy. Okay, and collision I want to check this collision, and suppress path if less than that minimum. I'm going to on this option. Let's see the toolpath, and here it is removed only 57% of material is removed. Okay, and still some material is remaining here. So and here I want to check this report shortest tool. So my tool is still a short tool, so it will not show you anything. If the tool is longer than it required, then it will show you the result. Okay, so I'm going to change a tool of 4 inch length. Now it will recommend us, and it will report the shortest tool which we can use in this cavity. Okay, so 2.93 is the shortest length for the tool to cut this cavity. Okay, and if you want to change, now we have already created one more tool which is 3 inch. Now generate it again, and under this collision check, see 100% material is removed now. There is no collision between the stock and the tool. Okay, and okay.